Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to verify app integrity in iOS 18. So this is the fastest way and I've learned it from another YouTuber. So if it doesn't work for you, blame him, not me. So right here, we're going to go to settings right here, and then the first thing you'll have to do, as stated, was go to apps. Look for Safari. So just go to letter S. If you can't locate it, just scroll to the S section. Safari, go to the very bottom, advanced, and then you'll just have to clear everything else right here from your data. So website data right here, just remove all the data right here and you'll be okay. The next thing that he did to make it work was going to your general right here and then going to software updates, and you'll have to update to the latest version to check if it works. So the next is screen time right here, the restriction of apps and privacy, turn that off and just allow everything else to run perfectly and smoothly. So that's how you do it. So next is in privacy and security. Sometimes apps will not be allowed to actually just be used. So sometimes it will appear right here that if you're letting one app to be installed, there's going to be a pop-up right here if you want it to allow to be installed, regardless of any type of restrictions that you're holding against iOS 18. So that's one of the most basic things, and the last thing you'll have to do, of course, is restart your device. So restarting your device will help you boot it into a better, healthier version of the settings you just applied. So that's how you verify app integrity in iOS 18, and thank you for watching this video. If you like it, and subscribe.